Hi, welcome back to Teach with Miss Meach. I am Miss Meach, a certified teacher and reading specialist turned online tutor. Let's get started with today's helpful hint. So today we're going to be talking about different ways to help your kiddos learn the alphabet. There are several different ways to learn the alphabet. Hands-on, also known as kinesthetic, verbal, when you speak it, auditory, which means when they hear it. A great way to help your kids learn the alphabet is when they say it, they hear it, and then they're doing something with their fingers to help them with the hands-on part. When you have them do all three things, this helps to get it ingrained into their brain. And so today we're going to go over one of the ways that you can help them do all three ways at one time. On my website, you will find a PDF of the alphabet. What I did, I printed this off. What I used before I got a laminator was contact paper that was transparent, see-through. What I also have used in the past, tape, packing tape, Gorilla tape, doesn't matter. What you're doing is you're just sealing the pieces of paper. I like to put it on cardstock because of how sturdy it is. I would cut up my cardstock, individual letters, and then I would use transparent contact paper for both sides to seal it in. And that way it could be used for many different things. With the help of my niece and nephew. My nephew is 5 years old and is getting homeschooled by his mom, doing an amazing job. All right, so we have the alphabet. I have laminated, but what you can do is you can use contact paper or you can use tape to put over it. That way the kids can use this over and over again. So what we're gonna do, my friends, do you have your letters?
Yeah.
What letters do you have?
S.
Excellent. So we're gonna use our fingers to start with and trace our letters. Do you remember how we talked about? Just with our fingers. I know we're excited for the frosting.
S.
Excellent. It's important that when you trace the letters, you have the kiddos say the letters out loud. They're tracing with their finger, they're saying it out loud, and they're hearing it. That's important. Then what we're gonna do is we have a plastic bag. Yes, we're gonna do it. I love it, Sarah. She knows what we're doing, and she's excited. Important to have fun. Always important to have fun. It helps. It helps ingrain it in their brain. So what we're gonna do is we have frosting, and as you can see, we have sprinkles. We are going to put frosting into the bags, any baggie. She's gonna touch it because we're gonna put it on there. We're gonna put frosting on there, and then we're gonna lick it. All right, so I went ahead and I spooned the frosting into the bags. I Ziplocked them to hopefully not make such a mess. And now I have corners ready to go to get snipped. Now, my friends, do you remember what we're gonna do?
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do is we're going to, once I snip it, I have to snip it, but let's show them what we're gonna do without it being snipped. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, you're gonna,
Yeah, I know.
okay, but what are you gonna do when you're, excellent, and what are you gonna do? You're gonna go S. And then, what are we gonna do after we do that?
You're gonna do the sprinkles.
We're gonna put the sprinkles on, and what are we gonna say when we put the sprinkles on?
S.
Excellent, and then what are we gonna do?
And then we go wicked.
We're gonna go and you're gonna lick it and go S, right? Just a tiny bit. We're gonna squeeze it back down to the corner, and you're just snipping a tiny. Sarah, are you saying S? I don't hear you. There you go. Is it working? Okay, so you're gonna, excellent.
I did it.
Excellent. Now put the sprinkles on. When you put the sprinkles on, you're saying S. And you're saying M. Wonderful. Oh, remember, we're gonna do more sprinkles, more letters, so we need to save some of those sprinkles. Maybe when you're sprinkling, you can do it like this and go M. You're gonna use that for more letters, my friend. Are you ready to eat it?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna lick it the way that we're not gonna pick it up. You're gonna lick it and go M and make the M shape. And you're gonna lick yours with your tongue and make the S shape and say S. Yeah, keep going, you still have more. M. All right, go ahead and lick it off. Now in the video, you can see that I had cut and laminated the ABCs, and then we put frosting on it, have them. You don't have to use frosting. That was just something fun that I had done in my classroom, so I knew that my niece and nephew love frosting and sprinkles especially. You could also use M&Ms. You can use other small candies. There's no end to what you could use. Since it's laminated, you can just wash it off, use it again. Thank you for joining me. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe. Push the thumbs up button. You can find the traceable ABCs on my website. If you need help with tutoring for yourself or your kiddos, you can go to teachwithmeech.com. If you like these tips, you can also go to my Facebook page of Teach with Meech. I have helpful hints. Facebook page, I post daily tips. If you want, you can contact me and request other helpful hints that you're having a hard time with. Thanks for joining in, and I'll see you next time.